Hey guys, it's BN. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how much I've made. And I figured in the process of doing this, I want to share everything with you guys. I don't want to hide anything. I want to share what I've learned in the past 15 years from doing YouTube to now getting my channel to grow again. And we're going to share my screen here so that you guys can see everything. All right, as you can see here, this is my channel analytics. I'm going to go ahead and show you how much I've made on my channel so far since day one. Has 15 years of trying to do YouTube been worth it? The answer is no, so far for my channel. That is because I didn't continue with it. I didn't do it the correct way that I should have been doing. So this is my channel. And you can see here, 2010, my channel started to grow, went from like under 100 to 100 views to 500 views. And it just kind of grew over time. And my channel didn't really grow until 7 years later. That's when I got a lot of views per day. If you look at this, it was like 400, 500 views a day. And that's when my channel started to grow. Do you see that right there? But with views, if you look at it, it doesn't really start growing until down here. Even though all this from here all the way back to here was 1 million views. Before that, it was 1 million views because right here it says 3.7 million views. And within the past year, I got 2.7 million views. So from before April 4th, my channel got up to 1 million views. And that was it. And this is how much I made with that 1 million view before they cut me off in 2021. So far, so for 2021, so from 2010 to 2021, I made a total of only $1,688.98. That's not a lot. That is, don't quit your daytime job for YouTube. But it was because I did not do it correctly. And we have fixed that. As you can see here, we're going to change to 365 days. And since I am not monetized right now, I'm not making anything. But for all these views, I would have made a lot more if I had done it correctly since the beginning. So I am here to help you not make the same mistake that I did. And I'm going to show you everything that I've changed, I've done to get monetized. And I hope that you will follow along with me. That is the reason why I started this brand new YouTube channel, because I want to share my experience with this channel. And also we can work on growing this specific channel on YouTube as well. So if you would like to improve your YouTube videos, go ahead and watch my next video. And make sure to hit subscribe so that you get notification when I upload my new videos. All right, we'll catch you in the next one. Remember, always be creative.